Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS HSLA alpha transparent color value. HSLA color value is an extension of HSL color values with an alpha channel which specifies the opacity for a color. An HSL color value is specified with HSL syntax uh, and the values inside this opening and closing bracket. The alpha parameter is a number between 0.0 fully transparent and 1.0 not transparent at all. Experimenting by mixing the HSL values. So quickly, let me show you how it works. As you can see, we're having this. So I've discussed about this in our previous tutorial. Don't you forget. But I'm still going to talk about it again. You can check our RGB playlist or our X playlist or even our HSL playlist also to be able to understand this color. You can check our color playlist in full details to be able to understand everything you have to know about it in details. So let's use our alpha. Let's get back to our code. Right here we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the HSL in details and all that. We discussed about the shades of gray. And right now let's use our alpha. To use our alpha color, we are going to use another value again. Definitely 0.0. Let's do it in this manner. Let's see what we got. Reload the document. Can you see? We are having white. It removes our color. But when we do 0.1, let's see our document and reload. Can you see? Our color is coming up again. Let's go 0.4. Can you see? Our color is coming up again. Let's use 0.6. Can you see? Our color is coming up again. Let's use 0.9. It will fully come up. Can you see? Our color fully come up again. But one thing I want you to notice right here is that let's delete this value and reload our document. Can you see? We're having this. So definitely this control the brightness and lightness. So let's say we give it 0.0. It's going to remove all the color. Can you see? Definitely we are saying we want it to on or off. So let's give it 1 right here. Let's see what will happen. 1.0. Definitely we are saying we want our color back. Let's say you give it 4.0. you are going to see that nothing will happen. But you can just specify, let's say even if you specify 9, nothing will happen. Than the fourth we are saying we're coming to the, definitely you just need 1. So this one is 1, right? So when you use 1, definitely you are saying you want your default color back. But when you say 1.0, let's say 1.5, yes, let's use 1.5, you are going to see it's still at the default again. But the way this thing can work is not by using 1. You are not going to use 1. Can you see? It's still at the same. But when you use this 0, definitely when you switch it to a 0, then it can work with it. Now let's switch it to a 0 by using 0 point something. Then you can control it. Let's use 0.2 to control it. It's going to fade in. Can you see? It's fade. Let's increase it again. Let's bring it back to normal again, but it's not going to be 100%. Let's bring it back like 50%. Let's specify 5. Can you see? Let's bring it back like 70%. Let's specify 7. Can you see? When we save our document, no, we will not save our document now. Let's reload our document. Yes, we reload our document. Now let's say for instance now we give it 9%. Definitely we are saying 99%. Can you see? So when we now specify 99, we want it to be 100%. Definitely we will specify 0 right here and come back here and specify 1. When we specify 1, then it's going to be 100%. So when we now remove this, definitely our color is on its normal status. Can you see? Our color is on its normal status. You can do the same with different colors also. Let's say we use red color. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Our color is now right here. but the way you want it, to see the red color, you have to put this one back to 100%. Yes, just for you to see the red color. So as you can see, we are having red color right now. Let's reload it. Can you see we are having red color? Now to increase the opacity or the to increase or decrease the opacity of it, let's save it. Let's bring it back to 0.2. Reload. Can you see it's light? Give it 5, 0.5. Can you see the color is coming up again? Let's give it 8. Reload. Can you see it's coming up again? When you give it 9, definitely you are saying 99%. So definitely you are saying 99, but you want to have it 100%. Let's remove it. You are going to have your color 100%. Yeah, can you see your color is there 100% now? But to do it 100% also using this alpha, you are going to use 1.0. Definitely you are saying 100%. When you use 1.0, definitely you are saying 100%. Can you see it's also the same? So definitely using this 1.0 doesn't mean anything right here. Definitely it's either you don't want it or you want it. So definitely, let's say you want to use on 9% right here, it's not going to work. It's not working with it. Definitely that one doesn't mean anything. This 6 point something is also going to work, is also not going to work because it means nothing. So it means nothing to it. The thing that mean something to this alpha channel is that you should specify 1.0. Can you see when we specify 1.0? Can you see when we reload it works? And even this one come up again. And when you want to decrease and increase the opacity of it, you can specify 0 point something, 0.3. When you specify 0.3, can you see our red is light? So that's how you can control it. Let's give it 50% of red. Can you see? Then we give it 70% of red. Can you see? When we give our document 90% of red. Can you see? And when we give it 100% of red, can you see? That is the benefit of using the alpha channel. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. But if you have been following me along, reach up to this level, I want you to clap for yourself, because we have gone a long way and we have understand a lot of things that we have to know. So if you haven't been following me along for so long, you should check my previous tutorial, because I've been dropping a lot of playlists so long. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. Have a great day and to the next tutorial. Bye.